Welcome to Mother Daughter Projects. I'm Steph.
I'm Vicki.
And 6 months ago, we were in this exact same spot and we were showing you a product called Wet and Forget. And it was a product that a friend of ours had actually told us about, and we got it and we wanted to test it out. And basically you're supposed to be able to spray it on outdoor surfaces and it cleans it over time. And it can take up to 6 to 12 months to fully clean. But we wanted to revisit that and talk to you guys about how it worked.
As you can see in this footage from the original video, we sprayed the vinyl and the white pavers and then the pavers on the ground. So we're going to show you the befores and afters so you can see the difference. The vinyl behind us is held up really, really well, and it's stayed really, really clean, but you can't really tell because it is white vinyl. But over here on this side, we didn't treat this, but you can see the green that is starting to grow on the vinyl.
And then the white pavers, you'll notice that they're a little dirty now, but you can see they're definitely cleaner than they were before. And since it's been 6 months, we could easily treat these again, and I think they're gonna stay just as clean as they have been staying. What would you say? What went for you?
I would say it works. I said I don't think it's perfect, but I think the improvement is there, and I think it's a great way to keep your vinyl free from green.
Yes.
And keep it maybe go a little longer between cleanings, but it worked on this and it's been 6 months, and it definitely worked on these pavers right below us.
So we're gonna finish up. We're actually gonna do the rest of the pavers, and we're gonna do a couple other areas in my house that we don't want to scrub. We just want them to stay clean. We started by measuring out 1 part Wet and Forget to 5 parts water. We poured it into our new 2-gallon battery-powered Ryobi chemical sprayer and added the water. This created a lot of bubbles, so we'd recommend adding the water first, then the Wet and Forget. Mom added the battery and got set up for cleaning. First, we sprayed my mailbox. This is a spot in my house that, in the past, I've neglected to clean. Now, it will clean itself. The chemical sprayer is great for getting into small spaces and putting Wet and Forget exactly where you need it. We also sprayed down my fire pit, which is made up of concrete garden blocks. We also used it to clean the really dirty rocks in my backyard pond. Previously, I sprayed half my sidewalk with Wet and Forget, and here you can see a slight line where I quit cleaning. Mom went ahead and finished the sidewalk so everything will be nice and clean. The chemical sprayer worked well, but I needed another solution for the tall peaks in my house. While working on this project, I saw online that Wet and Forget had a new product called Wet and Forget Outdoor Rapid Application. This product can be attached directly to my garden hose and comes with 2 different nozzle settings. First is the jet setting for distance and height, and then the flat fan for general application. I started by using the flat fan nozzle, which gave a nice full spray pattern, as you can see here. When I wanted to change the nozzle, I just turned off the water and moved the nozzle setting. Here you can see it's in the jet setting. The top peaks of my house reach up to 22 feet. Here you can see the jet setting reaches them with ease. I was able to spray the tallest sections of my house in under half an hour. And when I was done, I removed the garden hose and still had plenty of Wet and Forget solution remaining. So thanks for joining us. We just wanted to do a quick little update for you guys. And if you want to see that original video, we'll put a link below. And if you want to stay up to date on all our projects, make sure to subscribe to us right here on YouTube. Click the bell and you'll be alerted to all our new videos.
Well, it's concrete on the sidewalk.
Oh, that's true. Never mind, you're right. Mom's always right.
But it is a little different kind of concrete.
Yeah.